Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we'll be turning our digital painting into an animation. So as you can see, I have already made some layers which I want animated together. For example, the background will be different, the stars will be different, the girl and the plane will be on the same layer will be different, the cloud will be different. Is going to move slow, so I'll zoom in little and zoom out as per it was. After that we have the clouds. So clouds are like close to the plane, so it will move at a rather higher speed. So I'll zoom in more. As you can see, I've zoomed in a lot, and now I'll zoom out and it will move faster than the background. Then comes the stars. So the stars are far away, they will move slowly, hence we'll zoom in less and zoom out at the same. So now comes the plane. So the plane is going to move forward, hence it will come towards us, hence it will zoom in. So we'll start with the zoomed out version, which is already, the 100 version, and then it will zoom in. And depends how fast you want the plane to move. If you want it to move faster, then you can zoom in more and it will move faster. Painting, if you don't like the color, or if you want to change the vibe, all you have to do is add a track, put the paint on it, and then at layers select overlay. Yeah, and you can change the color if you want, and it will look kind of like this. Whatever you want, you can choose. You can even add song to your animation if you want. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Remember, if you want something to move towards you, then it will stay at 100. At 100, by at 100 I mean the default zoomed in, the default zoom. So from default zoom it will zoom in if you want it to move towards you, and the things that are far, and they will move away. If you want something to move away from you, then it will start not with the default zoom, it will start with the zoomed in version and then go to the default zoom version. And the speed depends on how much you zoom in and how long you take to make it default. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know if you have any doubts. I'll be happy to clear it all. This is a very simple way to turn your paintings into animation, soft animation. Thank you, guys.